It's kind of not exactly like
And like over.
Next stop right now.
Erskineville followed by St Peters, then Sydenham. This is kind of like Eveleigh, McDonaldtown suburbs. Look at that tall.
Towards Croydon. Please stand clear.
Next stop's from there on now.
Next stop is St Peters, then Sydenham. So over there is kind of like Newtown suburbs over there. So it's that side towards the suburbs of Newtown and Stanmore. Which side would the suburb of Newtown be? On my side or on the other side, huh?
Towards Croydon. Please stand clear.
Next stop.
Sydenham. Where are we crossing through? Which side is the suburb of? Is that where Newtown is over there, and Marrickville?